Hello friends and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel New IBOL Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have just learned about Python, and in Python we have covered up many of the projects using artificial intelligence. Like we have just built previously on digital clock using Python in artificial intelligence. So today we are also building the project like clock which we have built previously on. But today we will be building an amazing stopwatch, and I'll be telling you how to build this amazing stopwatch from Python in artificial intelligence. We will be getting the three buttons in this stopwatch. Like first button will be of start, from which our stopwatch will be starting, and then in the second we will be getting the stop button from which you can stop your stopwatch, and in the end we will be getting the reset button from which you can reset the time, or you can say reset the timer of your stopwatch which is running, because that will giving you help. So just now we'll be starting with our project, but before that, if you understand this video and if you learn things from this video of stopwatch, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see my all the coming up videos and all the other things as well which I'll be uploading related to Python. And you can also check my previous other courses which I have done using Python. I've just built many of the projects using machine learning, artificial intelligence, data sciences, and many others. So remember to check that out, and soon I will be uploading another projects using different languages, and you can also suggest me what things I should make using Python or any other language. I will be making that soon. And just remember to check my all the previous videos, because that will giving you help if you want to learn Python and if you want to build projects like credit card fraud detection, self-driving car, and I have also built the project of self-driving, because that will giving you help. So just now we'll be starting with our project and seeing how to build this amazing stopwatch from start to end using Python in artificial intelligence. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building that amazing project of stopwatch using Python in artificial intelligence. So now we'll be starting with our project. So for building this amazing stopwatch from start, here I will be opening my VS Code. And after opening your VS Code, just we have to build one file. Like previously when we were just building project using Python in artificial intelligence, so we were just building some of the file with the names of the file, or you can say names of the project which we are building. So here I will be now moving to file, press new file here, then I will be giving it the name as like stopwatch, because we are building this, and then I will be saving it on desktop and writing here .py, then press enter. So we are just now getting stopwatch.py written, you can see this, and then you have to move in this one line, we are just getting, and after moving here you have to now import Tkinter here, and after importing Tkinter here I will be writing as Tkinter, because we are building this stopwatch through Tkinter. You can also make it through backend. So when you will be now running your stopwatch, so it will be running at your CMD, not at the Tkinter of Python. So here I will be now writing from date time, because it will be also containing the time and the date time. So we have to import this also. Then here we have to write counter is equals to 0. Right here running is equals to false. Here you have to move down and write here def counter. Then I will be writing here label. Then you have to now just do one thing here, I will be moving, then make this semicolon and move down, right here def count, right, if running, then I will be now just moving down, right here global counter, and here you have to move down, and then I will be writing to manage. This is the command here, so we can just remember that this is this thing. Then I'll be writing to remember initial delay. Then here you have to write if counter. So simply here I'll be writing if counter is equals to 0. Then I will be now just moving here and writing here display is equals to ready. Write this slash, and then when you've written this, here I will be now writing this. Then after writing this tag here, I will be now just moving Control Z here I will be doing. Then you have to make this tag, then move down. Right here display is equals to, right here ready. And then after writing this, here I will be now moving down. And here you have to write else. And after writing else, here you have to write tt is equals to date time. Then I will be now making like .utc. Then here I will be writing from timestamp. Here you have to now just write counter. So here I will be now writing counter, and here I will be just moving down. Right here string is equals to tt dot strf time. Then here I will be now just writing this tag %h, which should be capital. Then I will be now writing this %m should be capital. And then after writing here I will be writing %s. Now when you've written this, right here display, and in display I will be writing is equals to string. Here you have to move down, right here label text. Then you have to write here is equals to display. Then I will be just moving down, right here label, and in label I will be writing here dot after. So here I will be writing label dot after arc1. Then I will be writing arc2. Here you have to write delays by. So here I will be writing. Then write here first argument and write given in milliseconds like this. Then I will be now just writing here and then calls the function, and here I will be just now writing here given as seconds, and here I will be writing argument. Here you have to now just write generally and write here like here we need to call the. Then here you have to now just write function in which. So here I will be now writing this tag, and then here I will be writing in which it is present repeatedly like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be now just writing here this tag and then write here delays. So here I will be writing delays by 1000 is equals to ms is equals to 1 seconds, and then I will be now writing call count again. So when you've written this, just here I will be writing label after, then I will be now writing here 1000 count, and here you have to write counter plus is equals to 1. Then I will be now just writing here a tag which will be like triggering. So here I will be now writing triggering like this, and after writing this triggering, here you have to now just write the start of the counter. Then you have to move down right here count like this bracket. Then here you have to now just write a tag which will be like start function of the. Then here I will be writing a stopwatch, and here you have to now write def start. Then after writing this, here I will be writing label, move down right here global running. So here I will be writing, then right here running is equals to true. Here you have to now just move down right here counter label, and here you have to write label. Then right here start, in which I will be writing state is equals to right here a tag which will be like disabled. Then right here stop state, then I will be writing is equals to, and here you have to write normal. So here I will be writing normal. Then you have to now just move down, and here I will be writing disabled like this. Now after writing this, here I will be now moving down, and after moving down, here you have to write a tag which will be like reset, and then you have to write here state as well. Right here is equals to normal. Then you have to move down after this tag, and then here you have to just do one thing. Here I will be moving down, and after moving down you have to write here stop function of the stopwatch. Then right here def stop. Then you have to now move down, and after moving down, here I will be writing global running, and then right here start. Here you have to now just write state is equals to normal. Then you have to now just write this tag right in this normal. Then you have to write here a tag which will be like stop state is equals to disabled. Then I will be now writing here reset state. Then I will be writing normal here as well. Now right here running is equals to false. So when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down, and then after moving down, here you have to write reset function of the stopwatch. So here I will be writing, then right here def reset, and here you have to write label. Then you have to move down right here global, and here I will be now writing global counter. Right here counter is equals to 0. Right here if reset, and then I will be writing is pressed after pressing 2. So here I will be writing, or you can say pressing stop. Then I will be writing if not running, and here I will be writing reset, and in reset I will be writing state. So here when you've written this, I will be now just writing here is equals to disabled, and then here I will be now writing label text, and then is equals to, here I will be now just writing here 0 0, and then right here 0. Then when you've written this, just here I will be writing if
reset. So here I will be writing is pressed, and then here you have to write while like this. Then I'll be writing the stopwatch. Then I'll be writing is running. So when you've written this, just here you have to write else, and then write here label, and in label I will be writing here text. Then after writing here I will be writing is equals to 0, then write here 0 and again. Now here you can see we have just written these all things. After writing this, here I will be moving down, and here you have to write root. So here I will be writing root is equals to tkinter dot tk. So here I will be writing. Then you have to make this tag, move down, write here root dot title, and then you have to write here a tag which should be like stopwatch. Then when you've written this, just here you have to now write fixing. So here I will be writing fixing the window size. Then here I will be now just writing here root dot min size. Then I will be now writing here width is equals to, then write 250, height is equals to 70. Then you have to write here label is equals to tkinter. Then I will be writing here width is equals to 250, height 70. Write here label is equals to tkinter. Then I will be now writing here label, and in label I will be writing root text is equals to write here ready. So here I will be writing. Then I will be writing here fg is equals to black, and here I will be writing font is equals to Varna. Then here I will be writing 30 bold. Then you have to write here label dot back, and here I will be now moving down. Right here f is equals to tkinter dot frame, and here I will be writing root. Right here is start tkinter like this. Then here you have to write dot button, and here I will be now just writing here f text is equals to start. Then I will be writing here width like this is equals to 6 command. Then I will be writing is equals to lambda. Then here I will be writing start label. So here I will be writing. Then right here stop is equals to tkinter dot button. Then I will be making here f text is equals to stop. Then right here comma width is equals to 6, and then after writing this, right here is state disabled. So here I will be writing. Then I will be writing command stop. So here I will be writing. Then you have to move down. Right here reset is equals to tkinter. Then I will be now just writing here button. So here I will be writing. Then I will be writing f dot text is equals to reset. So here I will be writing. Right here width is equals to 6. Right here state is equals to disabled. Then I will be now writing here command is equals to lambda, and right here reset. So here I will be now writing here reset, and then after writing reset, here I will be now making bracket, right here label, and then after writing this label, here I will be now just write here f back anchor. Then I will be now just writing here is equals to center. Then right here paddy is equals to 5. Right here start dot back. Then right here side is equals to left, and then here you have to write stop dot pair, and here I will be now writing side is equals to left again. Then move down, and here I will be writing reset dot pair, and after writing this, here I will be now just writing side is equals to left again. So here you have to write colon, in which I'll be writing this. Right here root dot main loop, and then write bracket. Now you have to save this thing, and if I just show you at the top, now the error which we were getting here in stop and reset is gone, because now we have defined this stop and reset down here. You can see if I show you here, we have defined start, and down we have defined the stop and the reset here. So still we are getting some error here, like we are getting the error here start, and in start we are getting some error because it is saying that it is not, you can say start is not defined, it is saying violence report find. So here I will be now erasing this. Then you have to write here start like this. If I just write here, or okay, so here you have to now just write start like this. Now if I write here, so you can see it is working, but if I write here in capital, so it is not working here. So here I will be now writing start. So you can see now we have just defined the start here. So now the start is working. So we have to check that Why we are not getting it capital here? Because we have just defined that here. So if I go at the top, so okay, so here I've done some mistake here. I've just written small s, so we have to write here capital S so we can define that. So now we are now defining, save it. Then I will be moving here and writing here capital S, save it. Now we are not getting error. You can see everything is solved. So here now you can see this. We have just successfully built this. Now we have to run it and check it is working or not. So like I've telling you in the previous videos as well, if you want to run your you can say your project here, so we have to open our CMD to run it, means our command prompt to run our project here. So I will be simply opening my CMD here. After opening CMD, you have to now write the location where we have created our file. It is on desktop, so I'll be writing cd desktop, so it will be taking me to the desktop. And then our file name is like stopwatch.py, so here I will be writing stopwatch.py to run it here. Then after writing press enter, so you can see it is saying that in line 71 module object is not callable. So I will be now moving to line 71. You can see in line 71 we are just getting the object label. So here you have to now move after this. So in min size we are just getting this tag, and here we are now getting root. Okay, so we have just written the root dot min size, then we have written label. Okay, so we don't have to write this thing here. So I will be now erasing this because we will be not needing this. Now here we are just getting these all stuff. You can see here we are just now getting all these things defined. Save it again, and I think that now we should not get any error if we run it. So here I will be writing stopwatch.py. You can see now we are not getting any error. I am just now getting my ticketer file here, which is saying that stopwatch, the title it is coming. Then if I press start here, so you can see our timer is now being started, means our stopwatch is working now. If I press stop button, so our timer should be stop here. If it does not stop, means that we are getting some error. Stop. You can see now our timer has been stopped here as well, means our stop button is also working. So it has been disabled. You can see when I press that, and if I press start button, so you can see it has been disabled as well. If you want to reset that, so you have to press reset button, and then that button will be also reset, and then means that your stopwatch will be starting from 0 and your reset button will be also disabled. Press, you can see now it has been saying ready, and it has reset your timer and starting your stopwatch again. So you can see how cool looking is this project we have built. This is the small project here of stopwatch, but we have just built it successfully using Python in artificial intelligence. So if you understand this project and if you like this project, so hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, so hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing hit notification bell as well, so you can just see my all videos related to Python, like we are building projects here, and soon I will be bringing up more projects using Python in artificial intelligence that will giving you help moving forward. And I hope you'll be enjoying that projects as well, like you are enjoying these projects here. So just I'll be meeting you next projects with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.